can't totally tell from here, but she's clean. So, got her all cleaned up, all wiped down inside, and she smells so fresh and clean. But, as of 58 minutes ago, it's 4:58 now, but as of 58 minutes ago, I'm on vacation. So, yep, got done with work at 4, did that, cleaned up the car a little bit, and trying to figure out what to do for dinner. It might be pizza night, we'll see. But, maybe we'll gather some stuff tonight for Sunday. Just some of it. Don't want to fully pack. I know I might be weird in saying this, but we still haven't gotten our COVID test yet, and that's for tomorrow morning. I don't feel fully packing until we get that paper in our hands, so might get some things out, but not fully pack yet. But most people, if you know us, we're last minute packers anyway. But but my parents got theirs today, and they were negative, so they're good to go. So we just gotta work on us. So, and I'm sure we'll be fine. And I'm trying to think what else. Nothing really too much going on. Just a normal workflow day. Kind of feel half relaxed since I don't have to go in until next Monday the 20th. I'll even feel more relaxed after probably more towards 10 o'clock tomorrow morning. But alright guys, if we're doing anything else, I'll pop in the next clip. It's working. Yeah, computer finally started to work. Thankfully. So I want to get a good chunk of this done. It's almost 11 o'clock, and I don't know what our days could really be involved tomorrow, but I'm gonna at least get some of this, or a good chunk of this done, and maybe finalize the vlog tomorrow. We'll see. It's either gonna be tonight or tomorrow because I have no other choice, really. But I'm glad it's finally working. Just things that I've been working late and half procrastinating, but I really wasn't procrastinating because I was going to try yesterday, but technology wouldn't let me do it. So Dave did put some clothes out tonight, so at least that's done. We'll finalize everything tomorrow. I didn't even get my clothes out yet. Like I said, I'll probably start more once I officially know we have those papers in our hand, and then I could get into excited vacation mode. But thank you guys for watching this short life vlog today. Hopefully it'll be a little bit more to it tomorrow. It's pre-cruise. It's like cruise day eve tomorrow. Is that such a thing, cruise day eve? Well, now it is. Alright guys, I'm gonna try to finish up some of this vlog. Not this, well, I gotta finish this vlog too, but I gotta finish this vlog also. Alright guys, we'll see you in the next video.